Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Sturt Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This is a four-wheel drive. It's a 5-passenger double cab. It has the TRD Sport package. It's in the super white exterior and it has the gray sport interior. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto on the driver and passenger side. There's power locks, power adjustable mirrors, cup holder in the doors. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. That's the on and off switch for the cargo bed light. There's a power outlet in the cargo bed as well. It's the on and off switch. With auto high beams, it's part of Toyota Safety Sense, which is standard on the Tacoma. You have your hood release. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Also part of Toyota Safety Sense is dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, and the lane departure alert. This is for the 4.2-inch multi-information display screen. So you get a digital speedometer, your distance to empty on the gas tank, average fuel economy, trip info, time until rest, so a coffee cup will appear if you start swaying and you've been driving for too long. Compass, your audio, that's the sensitivity for the dynamic radar cruise control. You check your tire pressure, any messages like needing an oil change or low fuel, settings and sensitivity for the pre-collision system and the lane departure alert. You also get the outside temperature. It has a push button start, your four-wheel drive modes. Has a 7-inch touchscreen display with the 6-speaker audio system. Has embedded navigation. You can customize your home screen. You can have 3 panels or 2 panels, and you can choose what you want in each one. For your audio, you have AM, FM radio, 3-month subscription to the satellite radio. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. It's also a CD player. And this is where your backup camera is. Heated front seats, 4-way flashers, auto climate control settings, and it's dual zone, so driver and passenger can control their own temperature, air conditioning, heated mirrors, electronically controlled transmission power that helps whenever you're towing, power rear window, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt accessory outlet, dual cup holders, a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission with the manual mode. Good sized glove box with 2 USB ports. They're tucked in right there. Auto dimming review mirror with garage door openers. Overhead sunglass storage, traction control, and your interior lights. It has 17-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. The smart key entry system. TRD Sport package gives you the sport tuned suspension and shock absorbers. Has a towing capacity of 6,400 pounds. It's already installed, ready to go for towing. A lockable and removable tailgate, and it's on hydraulics. It's easy to lift and lower. There's your power outlet in the cargo bed. It's a 6-foot cargo bed. There's power windows, cup holders and storage in the doors. There's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat, dual cup holders, has side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Tacoma. And that middle window there, that's the power rear window. So you can slide it back and forth. So what's really nice about the Tacomas is that you can lay these seats completely flat, just like I have shown here. And it's plastic on the other side, so it's not going to ruin your seats. There's also storage behind the seats and below. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. You have your tow hitch. Also comes with tied down bed cleats. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated with the signal integrated lamps. It's an automatic halogen headlight system, fog lights, it's a hood scoop, has a 3.5 liter V6 engine with 278 horsepower and 265 pounds of torque. Come see our lineup of our 2019 Toyota Tacomas at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.